Evening to everyone. This video for today, I'm making stir-fry chicken rice noodle. It is making stir-fry chicken rice noodle, guys. Ang una natin ginawa, pinapry mo natin garlic and onion and then add the chicken slices, guys. Nakamarinate na siyang soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper powder, and then nilagyan ko siya ng cornstarch. I-mix mo lang lahat ng ingredient. I-set aside mo ng 30 minutes and then fry. So now, fried already, quickly, and medium temperature, guys. And continue to fry that the chicken is going to change the color. Now, it's done. Ilagay lang natin sa bowl and then set aside and continue to making sauce, guys. So, I add 1 cup water and then paghalo mo lang yan, guys. And then, I add soy sauce, guys. Nasa sa inyo lang, guys. Ano lang ito sa akin? Tansya-tansya lang, guys. And then, oyster sauce o pepper powder. And let it to boil. Add the carrot slices, guys. And then cook lang, guys. No need to cook long. Just you eat a crunchy. And I have the rice noodles. Sinusok ko na yan, guys, 10 minutes. And dinidrain ko. Add into the cooking pan, guys. So, nilagay ko na siya, guys. Halo-halo mo lang hanggang mahalo lahat sa medium temperature. So, medyo nag-dry na siya ang rice noodles. Pero, continue pa rin dahil yung rice noodle na yan, guys, hindi pa siya not cook. So, binalik ko na yung chicken ko. And continue pa rin ang paghalo sa rice noodle, guys. Nag-add ako ng vegetable. And then, continue pa rin ang pagmimix ng rice noodle natin, guys, para mahalo. Pero, ang temperatures, na siya, medyo number 1 na yan, guys, para hindi siya masunog. And then, continue pa rin ang rice noodle na talagang maluto, smoothly. So, now that is namimix ko na at nakita ng nag-dry siya. So, mag-additional lang tayo ng vegetable. So, itong vegetable na, guys, no need to cook long kasi parang salad ito eh. Additional ako ng spring onion. Tuloy pa rin ang paghahalo. That is so yummy, guys. Everyone, it's so happy, guys, to eat this. My simple stir-fry chicken rice noodle. Napakadaling lutuin, napakasarap, at masarap saluhin sa pamilya. So, hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, follow, and paki-like. So, thank you for watching.